Choosing the right iPad storage is key. Models like iPad Air Mini and Pro share identical hardware, with prices varying solely by storage capacity 64 GB to 2 terabytes. Is 64 gigabytes enough? It depends on your usage. Let's discuss the ideal storage for your iPad based on your needs. Part 1. Is 64 gigabytes enough for iPad? 1. Photographers. For those who plan to store or edit images on their iPad, 64 gigabytes is far from enough. 2. Graphic designers. Graphic designers need ample storage for files, plugins, elements, photos, and apps. A 1 terabyte or 512 gigabytes model ensures smooth performance. 3. Travelers. Travelers favor iPads for their portability over laptops, allowing work anywhere. However, 64 gigabytes may not suffice for essential files and apps. Opting for a 256 gigabytes model is ideal. 4. Streaming enthusiasts. To support large downloads, users who like offline streaming and watching HD videos should consider buying a model with at least 128 gigabytes. 5. Gamers. 64 gigabytes is far from enough for serious gamers. It is recommended to have at least 256 gigabytes for seamless gaming and to support multiple game downloads. 6. Students. For students, the best storage option for your iPad is 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes. Part 2. How much can you store on a 64 gigabytes iPad? A 64 gigabytes iPad is ideal for basic tasks like browsing, watching videos, reading, and using social networks. It's suitable for educational purposes, but may not store many multimedia files. Part 3. How much storage is 64 gigabytes iPad? Local versus cloud storage. Is 64 gigabytes sufficient for an iPad? With iCloud backups, you can manage storage by removing content from the device after backing up, optimizing available space. Part 4. What is the price for an iPad? Price is crucial in iPad storage choice, with models varying by connectivity, capacity, and color. Here's a table of popular models to aid your decision. Bonus: what to do if your 64 gigabytes iPad storage is full. In order to clear up space on your iPad, it is best to back up important data to another storage device, such as a computer. Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a highly recommended tool for this kind of work.